So for simulation of simple circuit, first we will need means LED. So we will going to pick up some LEDs and then we will design. I have picked a diode and I will I will take 4 or 5 LED as per the requirement. Means we are making a simple program to just means blink the LEDs. So you can also copy from here, means copy and then paste the same. So we can design the circuit like this. And uh, so I have taken some of means 6 7 LED because means in chip there are 7 or 8 pins. So each pin can be configured with the LED. So I have taken LEDs, and after that we you can take the uh, chips from here. Means there is a 1 second. Sources found. Uh, so for programming this, we are using there are means different type of microcontrollers we can use. So first one is PIC microcontrollers, and there are various microcontrollers in PIC family 10F, 12C, 12F, and in the AVR microcontroller family there are AT, Atini, and Atmega. Atmega is basically used in Arduino. In Arduino, we use Atmega 328, so we are going to use Atmega 328. It's 664. Okay, so we are going to use Atmega 320. We will use Atmega 328 for this purpose because it is normally used in Arduino microcontrollers, and it is the chip where all the things happen. So we'll just make a simple blinking LED program, and I will also present how to make means uh, how to write codes for blinking it. So first we'll uh, take a 5 volt output. So it's fixed voltage. Okay. Ground. Uh, okay. So I have taken a means relay switch, and we'll just connect all these. So first wiring will begin from here, and we'll connect it to the relay switch. Okay. Then we will connect this from 1 second. I can also take a audio output, so we can means okay. So we'll just ground it here. From here first we'll So in microcontroller Atmega 328, there is means different type of ports, and we call means port registers we called. So for explaining you, there is uh, pins called B1 pins, port B pins. So port B one is starts from here B0. B0 is port B register pin B0, B1, B2, B3, B4, B5, and here it is B6 and B7. So it is used for means, giving the input signal to the LED. So first we will connect the B0 from uh, first LED, and okay, then we'll connect B1 from the, likewise we can connect B2 from here, and B3, and connect B4, and then we have connected till B5, so we'll connect B6, and we'll connect B7. And we will connect all these LED, so we can collect all the LEDs to the ground, and then it will we will just connect all to the same ground. Then we'll connect the D1 pin. It is for the power supply. So we'll join this from D1 to this one, and we'll then connect ground. Uh, Maybe I have mistaken something. Uh, First we'll connect it to the relay switch, and we'll connect this to D1 pin, and then we'll connect this to. uh, So I have created the circuit, and basically I have previously I have also created the same circuit, so that I can show you how it works. So first we have to create the whole circuit in this Simul IDE, and then we can means simulate the circuit. So for the simulation of circuit, what we do, first we means load the firmware in the circuit. So firmware means basically means the program which you have developed in the Microchip Studio, or means other IDE where means embedded C IDE. So I can show means I have previously created a circuit, and I'm going to just open that circuit so you can see. 1 second. Okay, I have there is a circuit. So for the programming of it, we will use the Microchip Studio. So Microchip Studio is a program means which is used for the programming of it. So Microchip Studio is basically uh, this type of means interface where you can write a program, your program. So uh, uh, I have already written a program for it, and uh, so what the program tells, let me tell you about this. So for creating a new project or a file, first we go to the new and then project. Uh, so I will create a new project from it. So okay, new project. And after opening a new project, you will see that there is a C or C++ language, assembler language, a Microchip Studio solution you can use. And there are various type of so programming language you can use. So for creating Arduino, you have Arduino Sketch. For creating C or C++ means embedded C, you can use the means language. So here I will rename just it to LED. Uh, LED program. Okay, and just I will click it OK. uh, I have created. And okay, so then the things come is that you have to select the device, means which device you are using. uh, just give me a minute. So which device you are using? So in Microsoft Studio, the device we are using is the Atmega 328. So we will select the device from it, and it is here the device Atmega 328, and we'll just select OK, and it will create a new project from it. So here we have to write a program. I have already written a program, so I will show you what is written inside the program and how it's work. Uh, so open project solution. I have already written a program, so I will showing you how it's work. Okay, it is not working. Okay. So for to write the program, we will means uh, first. Okay, I have created a new project. Okay, first we will create a new project. Okay. We'll take it at 328 at mega 320. Okay. So to write the program, first we will write in the specific we will write means in hashtag include avr.io.h. It is basically a program which will means include the header files for it. So including the header files, and the hashtag include avr/io.h. It includes all the avr files that is already written. And okay, and then after that we'll Okay, first we will also define the frequency of the means AVR microcontroller. AVR microcontroller uses the 16,000 megahertz frequency. So which will first define, we'll first define the it uses 16,000 hertz. Yeah. Then we will include then we will means write will include a file called utils slash delay.h. It will create the delay process in the means in the chip. So for creating the delay, so program called delay.h is included. Okay. Uh, So we have created means defined the means voltage means defined CPU. We have included the avr.io h file and include delay file. After that, we'll use int main, and inside int main we will write define int main. We'll enter void, and after that we'll create a loop, a while loop in which means the program is, first we'll define the register means which register we are using. So for using the register, uh, uh, we use means for using the register, first we have defined DDR register is used, and so we'll define that. So for that, we can use, we are defining the writing the code for the frequency, what is the frequency used by the microcontroller. So first we have defined the frequency used by the microcontroller, which is Atmega 328 basically uses 16 megahertz frequency. So we have defined it, and then we have included the avr io.h file. Then we have included the delay file, which will delay the delay, which will generate which will generate the delay. And after that, we have like C program, we will just write everything because we are writing in C. So first we are defining the DDRB. DDRB, the DDR is a register and B is the port. So we are giving it value 0xFF, which means in hexadecimal 0xFF means 15, means all the LED will enable. First we are enabling the LED, then we will after that uh, take a character, any character, unsigned character, character value. We can take any character value. For example, you can take Z or A, B, C, D, anything you want. And after that, we will write the while loop. We will use while loop to give it a function in which we will pass the value 1, because in while loop, if the value will be 0, then it will not run. So always giving in while loop we will give the value 1 in starting, so that the loop continue uh, will continue the process. So after that, so in after creating the while loop, uh, in which we have to define how the means LED should glow. So for that, we will create a for loop. In that, we can create a for loop or any loop you want. And in for loop, we will first initialize the variable which we have started. So the variable which have choose is z. So z will initialize it by 0. So first value is 0. Then after that, we will give the condition how the means it will work. So we can give the condition, any condition you can give. For you can give 7 times. After 7, it will stop the loop, or means, or after means. So we want that the full LED will glow in a pattern. So we will give the 255, means it is the highest number which will hexadecimal number in that will run. So it is that, and then we'll create. So we have created the while loop here, a for loop, and in for loop we'll give the value. So what value will give? It will be in for loop we will define the register where, the port on which the first we have DDR basically enables the input, and we have enabled the input, but we have to give a signal to it. So for giving the signal to it, will start the means program in that port, the all the ports of B. So we will write port B, and the value we have, the character we have taken, though we have character taken the character Z. So after that, we will generate a delay function, so that you can see what the delay is given. So basically we give a delay of